Sheikh Mohammad Fawaz. I'm studying in SVC. I'm currently pursuing my engineering in AI. So I'm in currently seventh semester. So today we'll be discussing a topic in IoT. So the topic for me is actuators and types of actuators in IoT. So in this presentation, we'll be exploring what are actuators in IoT and examining its types and applications in various systems. So first, let's understand what are actuators in IoT. So first thing is, what is IoT? IoT stands for Internet of Things, where we connect various devices, also known as things, in a network, which can be accessed via web or other interfaces. So the Internet of Things connects everyday objects to internet, enabling them to communicate and share data. Actuators are essential components of IoT systems, allowing them to interact with physical world and take actions based on the received data. So actuators are basically they perform actions. So based on the sensors, we get the data from the sensors and it goes to the processing unit, and from there, based on the data received, we perform certain actions. These actions are executed by actuators. So, so it has various steps. So first is data collection. IoT devices, they gather information through environment through sensors. Then the processing happens, that is, data is analyzed and interpreted by software algorithms. Then corresponding actions are executed, that is taken by the actuators in the physical world. Importance of actuators in IoT system. Actuators empower IoT devices to take actions, creating a dynamic and responsive system. They enable automation, remote control, and optimization, improving efficiency and enhancing user experience. Automations are used by actuators to automate tasks, reducing human intervention and effort. Example: smart thermostat adjusts temperature automatically based on the user preference and environmental conditions. Then we have the remote control. Actuator allows users to control devices remotely through mobile web or web interfaces. Example: smart locks enable lock and unlock of the door, etc. Optimizations: actuators enable optimization of processes based on real-time data. Example: smart irrigation system adjusting water flows and etc. Then we have the commonly used actuator types. So actuators are classified based on their operating mechanisms and the types of energy they utilize. Choosing the right actuator type is critical for efficient and reliable operations within the IoT systems. Then we have different types of actuators. One is electrical actuator, then we have hydraulic and pneumatic actuators, mechanical actuators. So electrical actuators are powered by electricity. They are versatile and commonly used in IoT applications. Hydraulic utilize fluids or compress air for power, offering high force and torque. Mechanical actuators driven by mechanical mechanisms. They are often used for simple and reliable operations. Then we have the electrical actuator. In the electrical actuator converts electrical energy into mechanical motion, providing a wide range of options for IoT applications. They offer high efficiency, precision, and ease of control, making them suitable for a variety of tasks. Then we have different types. One is DC motors, then we have stepper motors, servo motors, solenoids. So all of these are different types of actuators which are used in environments. So DC motors are used to convert direct current into mechanical energy. Stepper motors are having a fixed rotational movement. Servo motors have with feedback mechanism for precision control, and solenoids are linear actuators for generating force through electromagnetic fields. Then we have hydraulic and pneumatic actuators. Hydraulic and pneumatic actuators utilize fluid or compressed air to generate force, offering high power and torque. They are commonly used in heavy duty applications requiring significant force and strength. So hydraulic actuators are use hydraulic fluids to transfer energy and create force. Pneumatic actuators utilize compressed air for power and actions. Applications are used in construction equipments, industry machinery, heavy duty automations, etc. Mechanical actuators are used for simple and easy tasks, for example, gear mechanisms, lever mechanisms, and camera mechanisms. The selection of right actuator for IoT applications. So selecting the actuator based on the IoT application is very crucial for its success and efficiency. We should consider the factors like force, speed, power consumption, cost, and environmental conditions. So force and torque determine how much force is intended is required or intended for the application. Speed and precision is assess the required speed of operation and the level of precision needed. Power consumption is consider the power consumption of the actuator, especially in the battery powered systems. Then the cost for having those actuators. Environmental conditions can be various like temperature, dust, humidity, etc. So these are all the factors we need to consider while constructing an actuator, or the factors needed while the actuator is in action. Then we have the conclusion and future trends. Actuators play a critical role in enabling IoT systems to interact with physical world. As IoT technologies continue to evolve, we can expect advancement in actuator design and performance. So many new actuator technologies have been evolved these days, which have very minimalistic design, very low power consumption, highly efficient, and also it generates a lot of amount of power. So these are all the new future evolutions of IoT actuators. We also have miniaturization, that is developing small and more compact actuators for integrating in smaller devices. Then second we have is increased functionality, actuators with enhanced capabilities such as sensing and communication. Then we have energy efficiency, that is focusing on reducing power consumption for extended operation times. And then we have integration with AI. So nowadays actuators are being integrated with AI for having advanced applications throughout the industry. So it is this is all the functions, trends, and various components of IoT. I hope you understood the video. Thank you.